Hello. Here at Homegrown Veg, we like our recycling. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll know that. If you're a visitor, you'll find out. Can you guess what this is you're looking at? I bet you can't. But let me tell you, last night it rained, and it rained really heavy. And when I went out this morning to get in the car, the drive had lots and lots of small worms on it. Now I don't know if these are red wrigglers, night crawlers, or any other kind of worms, zebra doodahs. I don't know what they are, the worms, titchy worms, okay. And if you're a gardener, you'll know that worms are good for soil, worms are good for gardens, worms are good. So it seemed a shame just to leave these to dry out on the drive. So I thought I'd pick them up. Now then, if the neighbours are watching, they'll probably think I was completely bonkers, wandering around the drive picking worms up. But if you're going to do it, take a child with you. Make it look like a game, and the neighbours won't think you're completely bonkers. Okay, that's just a tip from me to you. Right, let's have a look at these guys. Piece of slate. There they are. What do you think? Night crawlers, red wrigglers? I've no idea. But as you can see, there's quite a nest of them. So what we're going to do now, I'll offer this up. I hope it's coming into shot. I'll offer this up. We'll pop down the garden and we'll just release them on a raised bed. This has got to be a first, hasn't it, on YouTube? Recycling worms. I think most people that dig worms up in the garden want them for fishing, but we want them to improve our soil structure. So before they escape off this slate, we're going to take them down to the raised beds, and we'll just release them into the raised beds. Hey, come in. The raised beds are that way. Come on. There we go. Let's release these worms back into nature, into this raised bed. I'm going for a cup of tea now, so I'll leave these worms with you. Come on, Molly. Come on, come on. Craigie, these guys still here, yeah? We best give some of them a hand. Hold on. What we'll do is just do this, and then we'll get a little bit of compost, a little bit of soil, drizzle it over them. In fact, let's use some of this. Okay, let's give them a covering. We don't want the birds taking them, do we? We want them to go into this raised bed, so there you go. Good night, worms. Sleep tight. Get in there and make that soil a lot better than it is. There you go. So that's it. Recycling worms. Taking recycling to another level. Homegrown Veg, signing off.